Oh, dang. We're going to be doing an unboxing on the Gamevice Flex controller. Now, I'm super excited to check this thing out. And the first thing I got to say is the box this controller came in is super chunky. I kind of like it. A lot bigger than other controllers I've got, like the Backbone and Razer and even the Turtle Beach Atom recently. But yeah, man, it's a really big box. So we'll have to see what's inside it. Now, one of the biggest selling points for going with the Gamevice Flex is that they say that you can use this controller with a case on your phone. Now, I've used tons of different gaming controllers, and none of them have been able to do that. So that would be a really big selling point for going with this one, because I'll tell you what, it is a little bit annoying when you want to get into like a gaming session with, your controller and you have to constantly take off your phone case. So honestly, it is really a big deal. Anyways, let's get it out of the box, see what comes in the box since it's so darn chunky, and here we go. Okay. All right, looks like there's a lot of stuff that comes in here, which is kind of cool. I forgot to mention this sells for $100. It does work with iPhones and Android phones, but I'm going to be testing it out with the iPhone 14 for this one. But yeah, I mean, you get a lot of different stuff in here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and the packaging is nice. I kind of get why it's so chunky now, just looking at it or whatever. Okay, so let's take a look at the controller. It looks like it detaches from the back. We've seen this with the Razer Kishi 1, I want to say. But whatever, it is what it is. All right, let me get my iPhone 14, and I'm going to have a case on it so we can see if it actually does what it's supposed to here. We'll try it with and without the case, but just kind of interesting. Overall, though, my first impressions of the controller, it's pretty standard. A lot of the time, the biggest issue with these gaming controllers is that they actually work with, the games you want to play. And in this case, a lot of Apple Arcade games you're going to want to be able to use this controller with, but, we'll at least do one or two different games here. And I'm also going to be doing some more videos with this controller, but first impressions, cool. I really like the packaging. For $100, pretty standard. That's what the Backbone's selling for, as well as, the Razer Kishi version 2 right now, Turtle Beach Atom, so $100. Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's run a little gameplay with it. Like I said, I'll run either one or two games, but if you want to learn more about this controller, we will also throw some resource links below in the description. For now, let's ruin it. Of course, before we get more into this, we would like to recommend you guys check out the Ignition Poker app. If you're someone who likes to take down massive pots while sitting on the couch watching Netflix, this is hands down one of the best poker apps to try out. Now, the cool thing is they offer both free and real money games. They've also got $1 million payout tournaments to buy into all throughout the month. Ignition has also built a solid reputation for fair play, quick payouts, and of course, hosts some of the softest competition online. If you would like to start stacking your chips and dips, we will have some resource links below in the description for how you can get started.
Target. Target down. I got a shot. Contact with enemy. Contact. Target down. Enemy UAV spotted. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Headshot. contact. Mission failed. We'll get it next time. Kill confirmed. Targets in sight. Enemy contact. UAV recon ready for deployment. Kill confirmed. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment. Contact with enemy. Predator missile on standby. UAV online. Get down, sniper. Headshot. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Friendly Predator missile inbound. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy. Headshot. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy down. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Tango down. Enemy in sight. Target down. Sniper. Target down. Predator missile waiting orders. I'm hurt. Tango down. Kill confirmed. Targets in sight. Enemy down. UAV online. Headshot. Tango down. Enemy contact. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online.
Changing mag.
UAV online.
Enemy down.
Kill confirmed. Recon standing by. Projected UAV recon is standing by.